Dear students, welcome to Study Buzz, the online study channel. Today we are going to study English subject for class 2. Let's have the overview. Chapter number is 10. Chapter name is The Story of the Four Seasons. The concept is seasons and festivals. Let's start our story. Long, long ago, there lived four gods on earth. They were brothers, but they were very different from each other. Their names were Spring, Summer, Autumn, Winter. One day, their father said that they all could rule the earth. The brothers were very happy. But father, there is only one earth. How can all four of us rule at the same time? They asked. You can take turns, the father replied. So each brother was made the king of the earth for 12 months. Summer, the eldest of the four brothers, was the first one to become the king of the earth. He was very hot-headed. With his heat, the earth heated up in no time. The days and nights became very hot. Sometimes the heat was so severe that people and animals felt very uncomfortable. Then came Autumn's turn to become the king. He was gentler than summer. He brought down the heat on earth. People and animals were now calm. The trees shed their worn out leaves that had dried up during summer's rule. After 12 months, winter took over. He was very cold hearted. With his coldness, even the air became cold. The trees shed all their leaves and became bare. Seas, rivers, ponds, and lakes froze to ice. Snow began to fall. Soon the earth was freezing. It became difficult for the people and the animals to live on it. Then came Spring's turn to become the king. With him, he brought warmth. It was neither too hot nor too cold on earth. He melted the ice, and the rivers began to flow again. The barren trees grew new leaves. Flowers blossomed from them. The people and animals were delighted. There was happiness all around. Then a problem arose. Each brother had to wait for 3 years to get his turn to become the king. They grew impatient and started fighting with each other. The father thought of a solution. He said one day, Dear sons, why not each one of you rule the earth for 3 months? This way you all will not have to wait so long for your turn. The brothers agreed. Since then, the four brothers took turns to rule the earth. Each of them waited patiently for his turn and did not interfere when the other was ruling. And it is believed that this is how the four seasons came to exist on earth. Adapted from Rick Mann's The Legend of the Four Seasons. Here we have completed the story. Now let's do the textbook exercise. Take the correct answer. The four gods on earth were brothers. In the beginning, the first one to become the king of the earth was Summer. To begin with, each of the gods was made the king of the earth for 1 year. When Autumn became the king, the trees shed their worn out leaves. In the end, the father declared that each of them will continue to rule for 3 months. Answer these questions. How was autumn different from summer? Autumn was gentler than summer. Question number 2. Who ruled after winter? Spring ruled after winter. What did winter bring with him? The cold-hearted winter brought icy cold air with him. Question number 3. Why did the brothers become impatient? The brothers became impatient because each one had to wait for 3 years to get his turn to become the king. Question number 4. Who gave them a solution? What was the solution? So the answer is their father gave them a solution. He suggested that each one of them will continue to rule for 3 months so that they would not have to wait long for their turn. Question number 5. List the order in which the four brothers ruled the earth in the end. The answer is summer, autumn, winter, and spring is the order in which the brothers ruled the earth. So here we have completed the question answer for the chapter and hope we have understood the chapter. In case if you have any problem, please watch the video again.